Where a building's old and crumbling, 5 big trucks all roll up rumbling. The sign says, danger, stop, keep out. But bulldozer gives a thunderous shout. Honk. Can you say honk?
Honk.
Gate opens wide. The trucks roll in. They're revved and ready to begin. Wow. I'll show everyone the book, the pictures. Okay. And then you'll have this video of me and you. Okay, can you turn the page? Turn the page. Okay. Mighty Flatbed joins the crew. She brings skid steer and loader too. That rickety building has to go. It's a truck. They'll wreck it, rip it, blow by blow. They can't wait to get underway. This is Demolition Day. Can you say Demolition Day?
Demolition Day.
Demolition Day. Okay. Demolition Day. Turn the page. Turn the page. Yeah. Crane truck, standing firm and tall, swings a giant wrecking ball. His aim is steady, sure and straight. He hits his target with a weight. Kaboom! Can you say kaboom? Say kaboom.
Kaboom.
Good job.
Go.
Look, it's destroying the building. Kaboom. Turn the page. Okay. Concrete sails everywhere. Clouds of dust shoot through the air. Crane truck sets up for another hit, and beams and pipes and chimneys split. He bashes through a concrete wall and leaves a hole 50 feet tall.
I see. Oh, boy.
Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, you ready to turn the page?
Okay.
Okay. Now with his hook, crane truck will start sorting trouble, wait, part by part, with the nice neat piles. There's no doubt. Wait, we're on this page. Metal, concrete, steel, and wood, they'll be recycled like they should. Okay, turn the page. All right. Now, excavator takes the lead. His bucket rams a wall full speed. Smash, say smash. With each crane, each mighty, oh, whoa, be gentle. Concrete and glass explode to dust. He switches gears and turns around and sets his bucket on the ground. Now a grapple helps him grip to tear and pull, to bite and rip. Rebar torn out without trouble. Concrete and steel turned into rubble. Look, they're working so hard. The trucks are working so hard. Now everything gets sifted through to be reused for something new. Dump truck and flatbed working hard and hauling huge loads from the yard. Honk, 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 roar. Everybody does their share to clear the site to make it fair. Crushing as he rolls along, mash. Say mash. Front end loaders, big and strong. Rubble mash beneath his weight. Compacts as he rolls strong and sure. Yeah. He lifts up giant chunks he found and smashes them onto the ground. Back and forth he never quits till everything is bashed to bits. He hauls away the cracked debris and separates it carefully, sorting metal, brick, and pipe, and then it's all saved to be used again. Turn the page. Okay. Little skid steer runs and races through the site and in tight places. Her breaker bit can shatter rock. Her grapple pulls down cinder block. Her bucket helps her dig and haul. Her big blade can push through it all. Vroom. You can say vroom. She revs up, she rolls, she bashes, she busts a wall, and thud, it crashes. Okay, turn the page. Okay, thank you. The crew batters, shatters, shakes, destroys. The air is filled with smoke and noise. Crumble, crash, and just like that, the big old building is now flat. Shh. A dust cloud rises, falls, then clears. The building's down. The whole team cheers. Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, turn the page. Now the crew works as a team to get the site all cleared and clean. They haul materials away to be reused another day. Turn the page. Gentle. Then big bulldozer rolls around. He levels land and clears the ground. Can you say vroom? Cement mixer pours some new concrete. Oh, the site is clean, all fresh and neat, all clean. They've all worked hard to clear the space so something new can take its place. Turn the page. Okay. The day is finished, job well done. Demo day was rough, but fun. The tire trucks have done their best, and now it's time to get some rest. Tomorrow there's more work to do. They'll start building something new. Turn the page. Now they'll dream of engines rumbling, wheels turning, rumbling, tumbling. They'll dream about tomorrow too, the dirt and noise, the jobs they'll do, of friends and work and all that's right. Wait, we're almost finished. Here you go. Another good day. Now, good night. The trucks went night-night. Night-night, trucks.